Okay, welcome. So today we're going to be talking about integers, how to multiply and divide. It's pretty basic, you've probably already done it before, but it's a good refresher. So an integer is a whole number, okay? So basically not a fraction, not a fraction. There we go. All right, so there's a couple of rules when we're talking about integers. So an integer can still be a negative number or a positive number. Doesn't matter. So negative or positive. If you're dealing with operations, they could be a combination of both. So let's get started. So let's say we have 5 times 1 equals 5. Now let's change that to 5 times negative 1. Because we have a negative here, this one right here, our answer is always going to be a negative. So a positive and a negative together will make a negative number or a result. So let me change the colour. So it's negative 5. Further on, let's say we had negative 5 times negative 1. So two negatives make a positive. So we have negative 5 times negative 1, which will equal 5, which is, as you can probably see, is the same as up here. Okay? The same when we divide, it's exactly the same. So let's, for example, have, let's say we have 10 divided by 2. Now, we know that that is going to be 5. If we do 10 divided by negative 2, okay, it is going to be negative 5. There's a negative there. Or if we're going to have all negatives, so we have negative 10 divided by negative 2, it will also be 5. Once again, it's the same as up here. All right, so in our next slide, we're going to have a bit of a practice. All right, so number 1, let's make it really easy. 12 by 2, if those the answer. We could also have negative 6 times negative 3. Number 3, let's do negative 8 times 4. We could have negative 12 divided by 3. Negative 16 divided by 4. Okay, so have a crack at those, and we will see you in our next lesson.